Yeah, y'all, I'm back on deck. Finish applying the adhesive. Can't really see it. I don't know if I can see it, but it's like a yellow coat. That's how I look on these. It's a real, like, kind of watery base, but it's going to seal together. Stopping by, hollering at y'all for a brief minute, man. Y'all take care. Peace out.